Mamaya, Miss Ceres, ha? I'm going to check your attendance later. Ulit. So, yun. Dun ako sa blowdown. Ano? We need to release some water intentionally. Now, we need to bleed the system. Parang ganun yan. Parang bleeding. Kasi, pag in-imagine nyo, continuously merong evaporation loss. So, kung paikot-ikot lang yung water, tapos merong evaporation loss, ang mangyayari dyan, yung, di ba may minerals ang water, ano? Especially the tap water. So, pataas ng pataas yung concentration ng minerals. Okay? So, ano yun? Actually, meron siyang bad effect sa heat exchanger. Kasi pag mataas yung mineral concentration, tataas yung deposit. 'Di ba? Tandaan niyo pa 'yun nung nag-discuss tayo ng heat exchanger. Merong calcium carbonate na nagdi-deposit galing sa tubig, no? So ganoon yung ginagawa natin. Nagtatapon tayo ng tubig, ang tawag natin doon ay blow down. Tapos, we have makeup water. We supply press amount of water para hindi masyadong tumaas yung yung calcium carbonate, yung hardness ng water. Kung nag-analytical na kayo. So, do you have any questions? So, basically, we just add these three: the evaporation loss, the drip loss, and the blow down to calculate the makeup water. So, how do we calculate the evaporation loss? So ito yung rule of thumb equation sa handbook. So WE is equals to 0.00085. Tatlong zero, tandaan nyo. Tapos WC is the circulating water flow. This could be in cubic meter per hour or in gallons per minute. Okay? So ito basically ito yung feed, no? Ito yung feed ng cooling tower WC. And then T1 minus T2. So T1 is the inlet water minus the outlet water temperature. So dapat yung temperature ay degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, anong explanation? So explanation, yung the 0.0085 evaporation constant is a good rule of thumb value. So pag pag nag-plant design kayo, nung college kami nung meron kaming equipment design, So sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi naman lahat tinuturo sa unit operation, hindi lahat ng mga parameters tinuturo sa unit operation. Yung iba sa equipment design. So basically itong mga rule of thumb, mine-memorize yan. Meron yung isang libro na book of rule of thumb, tapos mine-memorize yung mga rule of thumb value. No? So this is a rule of thumb, itong 0.0085. Okay? Any question regarding this equation? So tapos nasa handbook lang ito. Sa 8th edition, nasa chapter 12 lang siya. Medyo lang. Hanapin niyo lang yung 12-14C. So, probably nasa 9th edition din yan. Open handbook pa naman tayo. How do we calculate drip loss? So, drip loss is estimated to be 0.02%, no? Nung total feed sa cooling tower. So drip is entrained water in the tower discharge vapor. Yung sumasama sa air, So drip loss is a function of the drip eliminator design and is typically less than 0.02% of the water supplied to the tower. So with the new developments in eliminator design, so ganito na lang siya kababa, less than 0.02%. Pero pag halimbawa sa problem, may given na percentage ng drip loss, so syempre yun ang gagamitin nyo. Ito namang mga equation na to, in case na walang given, no? Question so far regarding evaporation loss equation, drip loss equation. Okay, so let's proceed. And then finally, we have the formula for blow down. So we have here the equation for cycles of concentration. So as you will notice, yung formula ng cycle for concentration is WE plus WB plus WD. Basically, this is the makeup water, yung WM, all over WB plus WD. WB plus WD is the blow down, Ito yung blow down loss plus yung drip loss. So syempre, mas malaki palagi yung makeup water, So kaya yung ratio ng dalawa, we call that the cycles of concentration. It is usually greater than 1. So ako, in order to solve WB, kami ang ginagawa namin, nagsi-shift solve lang kami dito. So medyo mahirap kasing i-memorize yung 12.12-14E. Ito yung in-isolate yung WB. Alam niyo naman paano i-isolate yan, ano? So medyo mahirap kasi siyang i-memorize. Ito mas madaling i-memorize yung 12-14D. Tapos mag-shift solve na lang. Ako ganun yung ginagawa ko. Ano? Kung given yung cycles of concentration, tapos na-calculate nyo yung WE at saka WD, unknown yung WB, mag-shift solve lang ng WB. Ano? Ganun lang. Question so far regarding blowdown loss? Okay, so if you don't have any question, let's try to solve the example problem on Perry. And then by the way, sa Perry, may mga sample problem din. Ano? Halimbawa, wala kayong ka-idea, nag-board exam kayo. Tapos wala kayong ka-idea doon sa problem. So punta lang kayo doon sa chapter ng topic, tapos mag-browse lang kayo doon. Probably may makikita kayo doon mga sample problem. So this is one of the sample problem. So the sample problem is calculation of makeup water. Determine the amount of makeup required for a cooling tower with the following condition. Inflow of water, inlet water flow. So first it's in cubic meter per hour. Yun yung 2,270. And then in gallons per minute, 10,000. Ano? So we're going to use the gallons per minute. Mas eksakto kasi. Ano? Tapos inlet water temperature, degrees Celsius at degrees Fahrenheit. So pag magka-calculate kayo ng WE, yung evaporation loss, kailangan ng temperature doon sa formula ay degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? So gamitin nyo yung 100. Outlet water temperature, degrees Fahrenheit, 85. No? 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Drip loss percent, 0.02, kamukha nung nasa handbook. Ano? Di ba 0.000302 times WC. Concentration cycle is 5. Okay? So let's try to calculate WE muna. WE muna. Tapos WC, WD, tapos WD. Yeah? Let's first calculate Let's first calculate WE. Evaporation loss. So ang formula nito 0.00085 times WC. Ito yung flow rate, ano? Ito yan, 10,000. Tapos times T1 minus T2. So 0.00085. Plus WC is 10,000. This is gallons per minute, ano? GPM. Pag sa Kemeng, yung GPM gallons per minute yan. Siyempre hindi naman grams per minute. Ano, wala naman tayong ganung kaliit na unit, ano? Madalang. So T1 natin is 100. Tapos yung degrees Fahrenheit, take note of that. Tapos yung T2 ay 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Calculate nyo lang using your calculator. So WE should be equal to get your calculator para mawala yung antok. 127.5. Anong unit nito? Remember, this is gallons per minute. Ano? Ano nga natin? Who's with me? Si Angela. Very good, Angela. Si Emmanuel. Very good, Emmanuel. Si June Rex. Very good. And then si Gio. Very good. Okay. And then let's calculate WD, yung drip loss. So drip loss is just 2.02%. Ano? Ito, 0.02%. So tatlong 0, 2, tapos yung WC. So this is basically times 10,000. 10,000 is gallons per minute. Ano? So this is ilan to? Siyempre, mga 2 lang, 2 gallons per minute. Do you have any question regarding this 2 value, WE at saka WD? Okay, tapos let's calculate the blowdown loss. So blowdown loss, dito na lang. Blowdown loss, ang formula lang ng blowdown loss, gamitin natin yung cycles, cycles of concentration equation. Cycles of concentration, so is equals to WE plus WB plus WD, okay, divided by WB plus WD. Tapos shift solve lang, ano? So ang cycles ng concentration natin given ay 5. Tapos WE natin is 127.5 gallons per minute. Hindi ko na lalagay yung unit, ano? Hindi na kasya. Tapos WB natin yung hinahanap natin plus WB. And then WD is 2. Tapos divided by WB plus 2. Tapos shift solve nyo lang. So WB or blow down loss is, let's get your calculator. 5. Tapos 127.5 plus alpha x plus 2 divided by x plus 2. Ano? Anong ano natin? Anong blow down loss? Anyone? Blow down loss. Sino yun? Sino ka? Very good. I also got that one. 29.875. Very good, Angela. Very good, Gio. Very good, John, Lex, Tadena. 29.875. Ano? Gallons per minute. Tapos, in order to calculate the makeup water, add lang natin lahat, ano? Yung WM. Ito yung WM. Basically, it's just WE plus WB plus WD. Add lang natin lahat, ano? So, halimbawa, 127.5 gallons per minute plus 2 gallons per minute yung WD. Tapos yung WB ay 29.875. Add nyo lang lahat yun. So, the makeup water is... Do you have any question? I'm getting something like 159, no? 0.375. So this is in gallons per minute. Do you have any question? So sabi ko nga sa inyo, pag nag-plant design na kayo, tapos magka-calculate kayo ng water consumption, tsaka ng water cost per year, ang usually ito yung kina-calculate yung makeup water ng cooling tower. Kasi generally, majority ng water yung sa planta, dumadaan naman ng cooling tower. No? Okay? So, ganun ka-importante yung makeup water. So, kaya, yan, lumalabas yan sa board exam natin. So, this is a, if you don't have any question, ito naman yung mga sagot sa ano, no? Ito yung 127.5, yung 2, tama ba? 29.9 and then 159.4. Okay? You can find this in handbook. So, this is a sample problem, an all board exam question. So, sige nga, pakibasa. This will be your exercise for today. Ano? Sige nga, for a cooling tower with a circulating water flow of 5,000 gallons per minute and an inlet and outlet water temperature of 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit respectively, and a 0.5% drip loss, the estimated makeup water is blank. So letter A, 85 gallons per minute. Letter B, 25 gallons per minute. Letter C, 110 gallons per minute, or none of this. Okay? So kindly get a piece of paper, pencil, tapos calculator, and then try to find out the answer. So lalagay ko sa bin, tapos pakipasok mo na lang yung sagot niyo sa bin. Paki-screenshot na lang para mailagay ko sa bin. I-stop share ko yung screen. Screenshot. Okay. Hindi kasi pwedeng mag-leave ng Zoom pag naka-screen share. Ito lang, lagay ko lang sa ano. Sabi. I hope you can see the ano, no, the question on BBL. Makeup water calculation yung title niya. Oh shit, oh shit. Mali pala yung shit. Include your solution. Yung PowerPoint. Basta kayo. Dami magmamak ngayon. Ano? Naka-schedule sa akin ay parang 4 na groups. May isang mock. Ayun. Hirap kasing mag-thesis talaga ngayon kasi wala tayong laboratory. Gastos pa. Palabas na yung final answer. Do you have any question? Ito nga ulit yung attendance. Aphrodite, Christiana Adviento. Wala talaga. Adrian Alaras. Shanley.
Present
Sir,
po.
present po.
Sino yan?
Hindi, Alaras po, present.
Teresa Paula Borlongan. Jose Marie Bileno. Vanessa Buen Consejo. Hindi defensive ito mamaya. Dominic Centeno.
Sir, present po ako.
Sino pa?
Vanessa Buwan Consejo po.
Okay. Princess May Ceres.
Present po.
Jamil R. Grady Chavez. John Limuel de los Reyes.
Present, sir.
Hannah Francine Husay. Eberlyn Manriquez. Christine Joy Pelicano. Sakit daw si Christine. Vicky Marie Kilo. Aina Jem Hyacinth Remo.
Present po.
Raira, San Jose. Lelaine Tumlos. Chelsea Maika Biado. Tisha Bilena. Angelica.
Present po.
Tisha.
Yes po.
Angelica Yap.
Present po.
Okay. Si Vicky Tilo. Sino si JM? JM. Sino si JM?
Si Jamil po, sir. Si Chavez.
Si Di Chavez. Si Vicky. Ano ba na-check attendance mo? Q, P, U, B, W. Wala ka. U. Okay na, Vicky. Basta check nyo naman, di ba? Makikita nyo naman sa BBL kung na-check. Good docs. Kuha nyo na. Kuha nyo na yung final answer. So we can proceed. Pasok nyo na yung sagot nyo. Touch nyo yung solution, ha? Make up water calculation. Oh, we have one submission. Yep, very good, Gio. Gio, magtatap ka ba sa board? Aga-aga pa. Ay, mabilis na yan. Third year na kayo. Naka-first term na kayo. Tapos, second term na, third term na. Bilis-bilis na naman. Fourth year na kayo. Graduate na kayo. Board exam na. Ang key, kung gusto mo mag-top sa board, sumali ka sa quiz team. Pero meron din namang hindi. Pero generally, ganun yun. Pero mga 50% ng mga top notcher, may members sila ng quiz team. Dali lang naman to, di ba? Kahit nga diretso lang sa calculator, kaya nyo i-solve yan. 5,000, that's your WC. Ano yung multiply nyo para makuha yung WE. Tapos, times, tapos plus, ano yung 3 plus. Paano yan? Walang given na cycles. Anong gagawin nyo sa blow-down loss? Those are the things that you need to decide. Ganyan yung level ng board exam. Kailangan mag-decide ka kung anong gagawin mo. Diba? Kaya nga engineer eh. Diba? Pag engineer ka na kasi hindi naman kamukha palagi sa mga libro yung problem. Siyempre, unang-una, dapat alam mo muna. Alam mo yung mga formula. Tapos pangalawa, dapat marunong ka mag-decide kung paano isosolve yung problem. Pag nagtatanong ka lang kung anong sagot sa kaklase mo. Delikado yan, ha? Delikado yan. Dapat alam nyo hanap. Okay lang yun kung ba nakakuha kayo ng sagot tapos compare nyo sa kaklase nyo. Pero na-solve nyo muna, okay lang yung ganun. Pero yung diretso, tanong agad. Huwag ganun. Bad yun. Hindi kayo magkakalisensya dyan. Kahit okay naman yung school nyo. Ano? Kung yung dadayain yung sistema. Of course, madaling dayain ang sistema. Pero in the end, kayo din talaga yung magsasuffer dyan. Pag nag-fail na kayo sa board, hindi nyo naman pwedeng balikan yung school.